Hello traders, this is Rich from tradesight. This is the afternoon look at our ETF scans. These scans are getting real-time data through the eSignal QLink add-on. So you'll see these signals kind of perhaps change, and some of the levels will change. But about half an hour into the close here. So what we're looking at today is just kind of a wandering day where things are just kind of floating up here into the end of the month. We've got, as in all the majors here, we've got higher prices across the board, but we certainly have an absence of any kind of real volume in the majors. So we're moving higher here, but we're moving up on very light volume. On the buy side and the sell side, you can see that we have no signals either way, no continuation or reversal signals. As far as the domestic sectors go, kind of the same theme as what we saw before. Mostly lighter volume, except for a couple of situations. The absence right now of any signals. A couple things I want to point out here is this volume bump in the PPH that tracks the pharmaceuticals, 5 times the typical volume, and it's on a distribution day to the downside. So that's going to be on my list for tomorrow. XLK also has a volume bump, but that one's to the upside, just a little bit less than 1% above the open. And again, more volume following through on the TAN. There's good volume today in First Solar. As far as the individual commodities go, definitely seeing a fair amount of light volume. I think that's the real theme here. The DBA does have a volume bump, so that's the only one that's really showing any volume. The GDX right now is starting to curl up and is 2% above the VWAP, which is going to give it a fairly strong close, about 1% above the open. So they're still trying to pound that higher. The other thing is the XME is flirting with the upside CPS buy signal. It's almost 2% above the today's VWAP and about 2.5% above the open. Seeing some pretty good volume today in the AGG, but there's not a lot of directional movement on it. And the
guys, that's going to be it for market
absence
today.
of signals. As far as the
Hope to
foreign
see y'all back
stocks go,
tomorrow.
the foreign ETFs are definitely the buy side. We've got about 4 CPS buy signals. The EWZ is probably the strongest of them. That's 1.2% above the day's VWAP and 2.5% above the day's open. So that should be one that you want to focus on for tomorrow. And as far as the specials go, with the lack of volume in the major broad market ETFs, we're kind of seeing the trickle down here. We're not seeing a lot of volume in the specials. A couple of buy signals. The TBT has a camouflage buy signal, which could be interesting going into tomorrow when the Fed makes their announcement and comments. The DIG involved in the gold sector is trading some pretty good volume. So a couple things to watch for tomorrow. Well, that's going to be it for today. As always, thanks for listening. This has been Rich for tradesight.